What's up, Just Smells So Good Nation? I'm your host, Roosevelt. I know I haven't been doing the fragrance review because I had to do some business review. But today's collection is about Dior homemade. Awesome fragrance, man. Clean, kind of affordable for the ones who want to do that thing inside for the COVID-19. Or you want to just dance with your lady and put some spray on yourself. Pep, pep, not too strong, not too, but hot. So what I like about it, it's got very clean, fresh, powdery notes. A certain amount of sweetness and something that you can afford. It's still going to be hot. And you could put it on her pillow. Oh, we home together, baby. It's on your pillow. So she's going to like it. You're going to like it. It's fresh. But in the sense of all of you who are looking to become fragrance owners and start your own YouTube channel, talk to your boy. You need to know the manufacturer, baby. The manufacturer is the best way to start a business today, right? For $2.25, you will know the manufacturer and start making you some money today. Now, on another note, I like Dior Homemade. We're going to do some reviews. You can go pay for that fragrance on justsmellsogood.com. That fragrance review for the fragrance oil, that fragrance will be only $10 for a 1/3 ounce. Free shipping for a limited time offer. Get that fragrance today. It's hot, clean, fresh, super sexy for your man. For the women who love their men smelling good, baby. This is something that I think you should enjoy. Now go down below, look at what type of business that you want to start today. We have several business types down below. And then And then we have my book, Business Hustle Owner. 13 chapters of super bam, bam, bam. Let's start your business today. And get ready for the Flea Market Money course. Because everything is a flea market today. Learn how to use technology to make your money today. Because so many people are losing their jobs right now. You need help. Get the cash flow in. So, welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. Please subscribe, make a comment, share the information. And I got 4 more reviews to do. I think I got 1 woman review and 2 other men. And thank you guys who've been buying the fragrances. Thank you women who've been liking the videos. Thank you everyone who come to the Just Smells So Good Nation. I really appreciate your business. And thank you for giving out the donation for my new lamp light, man. Love it, love it, love it, man. Hey, man, welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. And get that Dior homemade. I mean, it's nice. Dior homemade 2020. I mean, it's nice, it's fresh, it's clean, man. I like it. I like it. I like it. I really like it. I think we're going to, if you buy the bottle from our Amazon store, your range is going to looking at $80 to $24. Average price, you buy about $77 with tax. But you can buy that fragrance body oil for $10. Shipping and handling. And shipping them got high. I know. But welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. Down below, look at the videos. The vitamin video right here. How to start your own fragrance business product right here. And down below, links down below for the playlist and everything else. Peace. Welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation.